hot minute since I haven't made any kind of video, but I'm back, you guys. We have moved to Stanford. I'm in a new space in our new room, which is completely bare. But I'm also with a new unit, you guys. So this unit is from Xrsbeauty. And the thing about this unit, I'm just skip to like what's the most important. Why are we here? This is a clear lace. So this is my first time working, trying, all that kind of stuff, clear lace. Of course, there's so many laces out there in the world, lace types out there in the world. We've got brown lace, HD lace, transparent lace, and now we have this new clear lace. So I thought I would give you guys the scoop on it, try it out, see how I like it, all that great stuff. So of course, this is the final look. And before we get into my final thoughts and all that great stuff, I'm gonna show you guys a couple lace samples compared to this new clear lace so that you could actually see a true difference. Also, of course, the whole install on this unit so that you can see it from start to finish. So sit tight, don't go anywhere, don't click off. I will be right back. All right, you guys, so the details on this unit. So it of course comes with the clear lace, a bleach knot, and of course standard cap with this amazing pre-plucked hairline and a clear lace. But let's get into the difference with the laces, you guys, so that you can, you know, kind of start telling them apart because there's so many out there. So I have 3 samples and I'm using my bedhead hairspray. This is the only hairspray I have at the moment because I was not able to bring anything with me. And I'm starting with the brown lace and I'm going to put them all side by side so that you'll see the difference. So this is the brown lace. Next is going to be transparent. Transparent does have a whitish tint to it, so you do have to apply a little bit of foundation on there, and I'm just gonna blow dry that down. And then the last one I'm putting on my arm is the clear lace tint from Xrsbeauty, and I'm gonna show you guys how they end up drying and what they look like up close in just 1 second. So starting from left to right, we have the clear lace tint, transparent, and then brown lace right here on the end. And of course, the clear lace to me, you guys, is the clear winner. The transparent lace is not bad, but it does leave a little bit of a white cast. So you will have to apply like right there, that's the transparent. You will have to apply a little bit of foundation to it. And of course, the brown is just regular old brown lace, y'all. So just showing you guys a difference. I hope that was helpful for you. And then here, I'm just gonna do my normal routine of how I apply my wigs. So I always cut the middle off and I'm just gonna apply a little bit of hairspray to the middle. And then I'm going to apply a little bit of hairspray on, I believe, the left side of my head. So if you notice, I still have the lace on. I didn't cut this off, and you can see just how well that blends into my skin, you guys. So just wiping off a little bit of excess, and let's go ahead and get into these little wispy baby hairs in just a minute. So I typically like to do my wigs on my mannequin head, but everything is still packed up, y'all. I know it's been my excuse for a hot minute, but I'm telling the truth. So I'm just taking my hot comb, and my wax stick. Everything that I use, y'all, is located down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. You'll see an Amazon link down there, and I have different categories for like hair stuff, from wig beginner stuff that I use, everyday things that I love. This hot comb is down there, and all products as well. So this is how we're looking once I went on ahead and hot combed that part down. And getting into these baby hairs. Okay, so my baby hair were a little bit extra this time. I just have been wanting to switch it up lately, and I've been loving just the ease of not really having, I don't know, like super detailed, a whole bunch of, you know, swoops and all that kind of stuff. I really wanted to keep them long and wispy. Now, y'all have to be careful with how you lay your edges. I have a pretty big forehead. I have a lot of space on my forehead. So I can kind of get away with having my edges, having my hairline a little bit longer than normal. This is actually the longest I've ever done. So it is a little bit dramatic, and they're a little bit long. I'll go ahead and admit it. I could have cut off a little bit more, but I just left it. And I think it turned out really good. So, you know, you just got to pay attention to how much forehead room you got. If you're a big forehead kind of girl, 5 head, then we can kind of get away with a little bit more. But if you don't have a big forehead, just be careful. So another thing is with this unit, it will probably work best with the bald cap method. I've never tried that method, y'all. I know, I've never tried it because I don't wear my wigs at night. I take wigs off every single day when I'm wearing them. I can't have anything on my head that long unless I'm like doing something the next morning, like in particular, but I take my units off every single night. And so I don't ever do the ball cap method, but this would work perfectly for that because of this clear lace. Oh my gosh, it will work absolutely perfect. All right, you guys, so after laying my little, well, they ain't little, after laying my hairline, this is how the hair is looking. So I'm gonna go in with my new Croc flat iron. This is my first time trying it out, you guys, and I really liked it. This mug got hot. It got really hot, which is a great thing. I believe it has 5 settings on it, 4 or 5 settings, I can't remember, but I got mine from Ulta. I recommend getting it from there so that you can use your points or accumulate some points, and also use a coupon with this whenever they have one so you can save a little bit of money. So yeah, I love this flat iron. I'm so happy I purchased it, and I'm excited to kind of just keep trying it out to see how it compares to my Baby Bliss flat irons, because you guys know I am a Baby Bliss fan. But as far as this hair goes, y'all, with this flat iron, the hair straightened really easily. It came out super smooth, and from here I'm just gonna lift up my little hairline, lift up these edges so they're not stuck down to my head, and add a little bit of foundation right in the middle, and that is pretty much it for how I styled this unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and straight cut to the point. I'm gonna save you guys the rambling. The clear lace is it. It just blends right into the skin. You can't tell where it starts, where it ends. It melts perfectly, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna melt with any skin tone as well. You really don't have to do any extra work. And the pre-plucked hairline is a true pre-plucked hairline, you guys. I think we could both agree. I think I've seen a hairline that was pre-plucked like this, so detailed, maybe one other time. And as many times as I've come into contact with units and worked with different companies, this should be like a standard, a norm. And the fact that they did this so well, I was super excited about it when I pulled it out of the box, you guys. I was like, oh, thank God. We just moved and I don't know where any of my stuff is. I did not feel like plucking anything. I honestly haven't looked like this in such a long time, like makeup and a unit and all that kind of stuff. And I just wanted to look good and feel good for a second because we moved across the country. So I just needed to, just glam myself up a bit. And I'm so glad that this unit was easy. It was super easy to install, to put on, to do the baby hair, to do everything, y'all. And whether you are a beginner or if you are advanced, like you've been wearing units, this will work for absolutely anybody. I'm excited about this unit. I do have a couple favorite units that I wear all the time, and this may end up being another one of them. I'm pretty sure it will. The hair is soft, it's very simple, it's very basic as well. It feels good, it's straight, silky straight hair. That's pretty much all I can say about it. Another key thing on this before I forget, I just thought about it, was that the bleached knots on this unit are just another added bonus. So yeah, you guys, I think that is pretty much it for this first impressions with this first time working with Xrsbeauty Hair. I think I'm in love. I feel like, what's that song? Is that Mandy Moore who sings that song? Jessica Simpson. That's Jessica Simpson's song. Anyways, never mind. They did an amazing job with this hairline, you guys. Y'all have to give it to them on this clear lace and the clean hairline. I can't take that away from them. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, please put them down below and I will answer you guys. I am here now. I'm stable. I'm mentally ready to get back in the content creator type of game. It's been a minute for me. I've had so much going on for the past maybe 2 months. But I've been doing my best with trying to keep, content coming for you guys. We have tons of boxes everywhere. It's a complete disaster, but this makes me feel comfortable. Being right here with you guys makes me feel at home. It relaxes me, it's therapy for me, and I'm in a new space and I'm ready to give you guys some really great content as well. So all the information on this unit will be down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video.